Hazrat Adi bin Hatim says, while we were in the company of the Prophet ﷺ, a man came and complained of starving. Then another man came and complained of burglary. So he ﷺ said, O Adi, have you seen Hira? I replied, I have not seen it, but I have definitely heard of it. He ﷺ said, if you live long, you will definitely witness that an old woman will leave Hira for performing circumambulation of the Kaaba, but she will not be scared of anyone save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. A thought arose in my heart, what will become of the robbers of the Tay tribe? We have set all the cities on fire, created commotion there. Then he ﷺ said, if you live long, you will definitely seize hold of the treasures of Khusro. I submitted of Khusro bin Hormuz. He ﷺ said, yes, of Kisra bin Hormuz. Then he ﷺ said, if you enjoy longevity, you will surely witness that a man will come out taking gold or silver equal to the size of a palm and search for someone to accept it, but he will find none to accept it. Undoubtedly, every one of you will meet his Lord Jalla Jalaluhu alone, and that very day there will be no spokesman between you and him who will talk on someone's behalf. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will say, did not I dispatch an apostle to you who conveyed my message? He will reply, why not? He Jalla Jalaluhu will say, didn't I bestow you ample wealth? He will submit, of course. He will look around to his right to see only hell, and then look to his left and see nothing but hell. Hazrat Adi radiyallahu anhu says that he has heard the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, protect yourself from the hellfire, though by giving even the husk of a date. And whosoever does not have a husk of a date should protect himself by saying something good. Hazrat Adi says that he witnessed that an old woman set out from Hira and performed circuit around the Kaaba while she was not scared of anyone save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And he himself was one of those people who captured the treasures of Hormuz. And if you live long, you will definitely witness what the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the father of Hazrat Qasim, said, that a man would come out carrying gold or silver equal to the size of palm. Abdullah bin Muhammad, Abu Asim, Saddam bin Bishr, Abu Mujahid report that Mohil bin Khalifa narrated us hadith that he heard from Hazrat Adi that he was in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3595.